Today I will be doing a shooting review and accuracy review of the KSC G17. It's currently 35 degrees outside, and that's not that great of temperature for gas guns, but apparently for this one it works really well. It still works really well in cold temperatures. We're going to be doing increments of 50 feet, starting off with a 50 feet shooting test and then the 100 feet shooting test. So hope you enjoy. Alright, I have the magazine filled with KSC 0.3 gram BBs, and the green little marker or green little bucket is the 50-foot test, and then the human sized target all the way back there is the 100-foot test. So we'll see how good the accuracy is. Alright, it's out. Next mag. This is at the 100-foot test. See if we can hit this a few times. Alright, let's go see the results of the shooting test. We're at the 100-foot marker. As you can see, this is a pretty decent man-sized target. It's about 4 feet tall and about 2.5 feet wide, maybe 2 feet wide. The results were very surprising. I actually got a lot of headshots. There's about 6 on there. Then there's one right there, another one around here somewhere, and so I basically got about 10 shots on the target out of I think 20 in the magazine. So that's the final shooting review for the KSC Glock. This is a very amazing weapon, and I will be doing a bunch of upgrades to it to increase performance, like a high flow valves and recoil springs, stuff like that. And also in my next video we'll be doing a review, just an overview of this gun and the internals and how to disassemble it. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe.